Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So working as a trainee here. One of our students got placed in a company, so she is going to share her experience.
I myself ROOPASHREE. So I joined PySpiders in the month of June for Python full stack testing course. So Python was done by Keshav sir and Selenium was done by Lakshmi Prasad sir. SQL was done by Murli sir, and manual testing was done by Pradeep sir and Gopi sir. So I'm glad that I joined PySpiders. So the trainers were very supportive for me. So and here they will also conduct mock interviews, which helped me to gain it helped me to boost my confidence, so that I cracked interviews very easily. And also here they will conduct presentation sessions, so that helps my communication skills also.
So what's the overall experience?
It was good, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.